So for the first time ever, we left something really important in the apartment and we have to wait the whole day for the owner to come back. I forgot my phone in there and our charger, which is surprising that we've been traveling for like 3 years and we've never done that before. We have nothing better to do today, so it's okay. We can spend the afternoon just finding something to do. The only thing we had planned today was to drive back to Trebinje. We just went back to Kocusa Waterfalls so we could get some drone videos for our other video. We looked and we found this other waterfall and it's only about 25 minutes past Kocusa, so we decided to go there. Apparently these waterfalls do get quite busy because there's a sign posted for a bus parking fee. These are Kocusa Waterfalls and they are about 35 minutes from the town of Capljina, which we made another video about. We weren't surprised that the restaurant and everything was closed because it was the winter time, but what did surprise us is that it was closed up with these super official looking seals. We tried translating it and it says something about the fact that they aren't allowed to do catering, which I assume just means food service in general, and they can't break the seal to enter the building. It says all of this and it references a subsection of the law that I couldn't find. However, the notice was dated from September, so we were trying to figure out if this was actually some kind of health code violation or maybe they pay for some kind of tourism license only for the summer. They don't have to pay as long as the building's sealed up. I don't know, very interesting. Maybe someone from Bosnia and Herzegovina can chime in. The plot thickens because we found all of their road signs in the yard. Still unsure if that means they're permanently closed or they're a little extreme about not operating in the winter. This was actually driving me crazy, but I searched all over the internet to the best of my abilities and I couldn't find a news source or a Facebook post or a Google review or a TripAdvisor comment or anything to explain what exactly this was for. It's a shame if it is permanently closed because it is genuinely such a pretty spot. Although the restaurant reviews were middling at best, so perhaps for a cappuccino. There is also a little bit of beach here. And it seemed like maybe camping or something too. There was a lot of open space in the yard. Good job, Siobhan.
What's that? You're archaeologists, all right.
Siobhan found this little spot. It's so cute.
Yeah. I'm gonna go down there now.
There is some kind of forgotten hiking path here. Such a pretty river. I'm guessing one of the sources for the spring is up the river from here. Definitely some spring-fed water. These spring-fed rivers are all over Bosnia and also in Albania. You can always tell a spring-fed river by the crystal clear waters and the bright green vegetation.
In my heart is a waterfall of windmills and rockets and empty baskets. Subscribe. In my heart is a waterfall, bleeding pine trees and lit up windows and poison arrows. In my heart is a waterfall of silver linings and dirty laundry and bedtime rain. In my heart.
So we just wanted to chase the source of the spring. It goes over here.
Yeah.
Because there's a little bridge. Very cute.
This is one of
Oh,
the
look at that little bridge down there. Wow, so cute.
These little buildings here.
Yeah. We were not able to find the source for the spring. We followed the river for a little while, but then we ended up at a little mountain, so the spring probably just comes directly out of there. After our short, aimless drive past the cabbage fields, we spotted this little place on the way back to Capljina, another strange, abandoned restaurant. By a very picturesque spring where the water actually flows out of a little cave. Oh, how cute is this? Yeah, there's water flowing there too. This town is Vitina and it is super cute. Super tiny, but super cute. I would be tempted to stay here because I love a toxic little village. It's a really nice spot. In the end, our host was very late. We ate dinner in the car while we were waiting for him.
Hello.
Hello.
Ah.
Did you get the phone?
No.
Hey. It only took 7 hours.
That's crazy.
That's it. That's the video. Subscribe. Bye.